Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're looking to stream live sports for free, StreamEast is a popular choice. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install StreamEast on your Firestick. So grab your remote and let's get started. Section 1. Disclaimer. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. StreamEast provides access to content that might be copyrighted. Make sure to use it responsibly and check the laws in your region before streaming. Section 2. Preparing your Firestick. First, you'll need to prepare your Firestick to allow apps from unknown sources. Here's how to do it. Go to the Settings menu on your Firestick. Navigate to My Fire TV and click it. Select Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources and confirm the prompt. That's it. Your Firestick is now ready for third-party apps. Section 3. Installing the Downloader app. Next, you need the Downloader app to sideload StreamEast. From your Firestick home screen, go to the search icon. Type Downloader and select it from the search results. Click Download to install the app. Once installed, open the Downloader app and grant it the necessary permissions. Section 4. Downloading StreamEast APK. Now let's download the StreamEast APK file. Open the Downloader app. In the URL field, type the following link. Insert APK URL here and press Go. The APK file will start downloading automatically. Once it's done, you'll see the installation prompt. Section. Installing StreamEast. Here's how to install the app. When the download is complete, click Install on the prompt. Wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, click Open to launch StreamEast. Conclusion. And that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Firestick tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.